The Power of Assumption, Neville Goddard's Key to Manifesting Your Dreams. Welcome to Yo Soy Growth, the channel where we explore the most transformative teachings to help you manifest the life of your dreams. Today, I will talk about one of Neville Goddard's most powerful keys, the power of assumption. Get ready to discover how you can transform your reality with your mind. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content on manifestation and personal growth. Who was Neville Goddard? Neville Goddard was a mystic and teacher of the law of assumption who taught that our imagination and subconscious mind are the keys to shaping our reality. His message was clear. What you assume to be true in your mind manifests in your life. From a young age, Neville had a deep interest in spiritual and metaphysical topics. Throughout his life, he wrote numerous books and gave lectures explaining the importance of imagination in creating our reality. According to him, we are not victims of circumstances, but conscious creators of our existence. The power of assumption. Assumption is the art of living as if your desire is already reality. It is a key that unlocks the power of manifestation. Imagine you're playing a role in a theater play and that each day you immerse yourself more into that character until it becomes your new reality. The more consistent you are with this belief, the faster it will reflect in your life. To better understand this concept, think of someone who wants to become a writer. Instead of saying, I want to be a writer, they start acting and thinking as they already are. They write every day. Imagine their book published. Feel the excitement of their readers and act with confidence. By assuming that identity, their reality begins to change and opportunities come into their life. How to practice the assumption technique. To apply this powerful technique, follow these 3 steps. 1. Visualization. Visualization is a tool that allows you to create a mental image of your fulfilled desire. To make it effective, follow these steps. Find a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and imagine in as much detail as possible that you're already living the life you desire. Don't just see the scene in your mind. Immerse yourself in it. Observe the colors, the sounds, the smells, and any other details that make it feel real. Repeat this exercise every night before sleeping, as your subconscious mind is more receptive in that relaxed state. 2. Feeling. The key to assumption is not just imagining, but feeling that you already have what you desire. Emotions intensify the power of manifestation. Here's how to do it. Feel the emotion you would experience if your desire were already reality. Is it joy, gratitude, peace? Hold that emotion within you for as long as possible and repeat it throughout the day. Remember that the universe responds to the energy you emit, so vibrating at the frequency of your desire will attract that reality into your life. 3. Aligned action. It's not enough to imagine and feel. You must also take actions aligned with your new identity. Here are some ways to do it. Modify your language. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I am successful. Adopt habits consistent with your new reality. If you desire abundance, start acting with generosity and confidence that you will always have more than you need. Surround yourself with people and situations that reinforce your new belief. Avoid negative conversations or attitudes that contradict your assumption. Overcoming obstacles and doubts. It is normal for doubts or negative thoughts to arise. When this happens, remember that your subconscious mind only responds to beliefs you reinforce with persistence. Every time a doubtful thought appears, replace it with a certainty that your assumption is already real. Trust the process, even when the results are not yet visible. The key is persistence. A powerful exercise to combat doubt is writing affirmations in a journal. Every night before bed, write statements like, my desire is already fulfilled, or I am the person I want to be. Over time, these affirmations will strengthen your faith and dissolve any mental resistance. Beyond manifestation, transforming your reality, the assumption technique not only helps you manifest material desires, but can also be a powerful tool to change your identity and transform your life in all aspects. From relationships to health and well-being, assumption allows you to align with the highest version of yourself. Let's consider an example in the area of health. If someone wants to improve their physical well-being, instead of identifying with illness or fatigue, they can start assuming the identity of a healthy and energetic person. By doing this consistently, their body begins to respond to that new reality. If this teaching resonates with you, start practicing assumption today. Tell me in the comments, what desire do you want to manifest in your life? And if you want to keep exploring tools to transform your reality, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.